Travel gear is one of the hottest categories on TikTok Shop. Carry-on backpacks racking up 150,000 sales, packing cube sets moving tens of thousands of units a month, and luggage priced so low it almost shouldn't exist. And every single one of these TikTok review videos ends exactly the same.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this $26 toiletry set is literally insane. Changed my life.
As someone who's spent an absurd amount of time testing, reviewing, and getting my hands on a lot of travel gear, I wanted to see these items for myself. So we bought the most viral TikTok travel items right now across categories including luggage, backpacks, and packing cubes to find out if they're really all that amazing. To help you make an informed buying decision, every bag gets a verdict before we move on. Buy or pass, and what to look for instead. None of these brands sponsor this video, and none of them know I'm making it. We bought all of this stuff with our own money. First up, the La Fame Travel Duffel Bag. This thing has sold over 70,000 units on TikTok Shop, and I can see why. It's basically made for TikTok. It's demonstrable. You have to see what it is to understand it. It's a garment bag for your hanging clothes that transforms into a duffel bag you can then pack with other items. Does it actually work? Yeah, and I think it solves a real problem. It's got a decent feel to it. It's this fake leather pleather material that feels quite pliable, and it seems like it's gonna hold up decently well. Packing it the first time is a little fiddly. It kind of sags once it's zipped together, but it does what it says it'll do, and it sells for 90 bucks. If you see this on TikTok Shop and you wonder how it is in real life, I'd say this one is actually a buy. Now, if you love this thing, but you want a little higher quality materials, you could also check out this garment bag by the company Half Day, which we reviewed last year. All right, the Ukine 3-piece luggage set. A 20-inch hard-sided carry-on, a travel backpack, and a toiletry bag, all for 170 bucks for the whole combo. That's 3 bags for less than the price of a typical carry-on. Okay. The suitcase is polycarbonate, fine on the outside, but the interior is as bare bones as I've ever seen. Crappy cloth lining, cheap zippers, generic everything. The backpack is a knockoff of every other backpack that you're gonna see in this video, and the toiletry bag is a pouch. But here's the real problem. This carry-on measures 14.9 by 9.25 by 22 inches. The maximum carry-on dimensions on every major US airline are 22 by 14 by 9. The Ukine is almost a full inch over the width limit on Delta, American, United, Southwest, you name it. According to our bag sizing tool, this bag fits only 14% of airline. It's just not really what you should look for in an item that's a carry-on. And look, this is the classic TikTok trend. Pricing items in sets like this is a psychological tactic. Naturally, you feel like you're getting more for your money, and when you watch all these TikTok review videos, there's no real substance telling you anything other than they're amazing products. In this case, you're basically just getting 3 pretty lame products bundled at a price that feels like a deal. Do yourself a favor, walk into Sam's Club, and the Members Mark Hardside Carry-On is sitting right there for about 90 bucks. Polycarbonate shell, proper dimensions, actually fits overhead. Or stretch to 150 and grab a Quince carry-on with a lifetime warranty. Either one of those is dramatically more bag for dramatically less headache. Hard pass. Okay, since this is going so well, let's talk about another luggage set. The Me 3-piece. This comes with 2 checked bags, a 28-inch and a 24-inch, as well as a 20-inch carry-on. They ship nested inside each other in one big box, and this whole set is $112. Kind of crazy. Now, they're made of ABS, which is a step below polycarbonate from a durability standpoint, and this is what you'd see the Amazon Basics bag being made of. Not premium by any stretch, but also not automatically a pass. Overall, the wheels on these are smooth, and the checked bags come with top and side handles, but there is nothing fancy here at all. The carry-on's telescoping handle got stuck occasionally, and the zippers are not noteworthy. But let's say you want something good enough to take your family of 3 on a trip, and you've got $100 to spend. The value here is very good. Believe it or not, I call this a surprise buy. Next, the Luggage color block backpack. Who comes up with these names. This thing has sold over 156,000 units on TikTok Shop. It's pitched as a compliant personal item for Spirit, Frontier, Delta, and American. It comes with 3 packing cubes and sells for $66. Honestly, I picked it up expecting it to be super flimsy and cheap, but I was actually pleasantly surprised. It's got a padded carry handle, YKK zips, and the fabric feels pretty water resistant. Now, nothing about this bag is winning any Best Backpack awards, but nothing feels like it's gonna immediately fall apart either. They also make this one with a slightly different look and expansion capabilities if that's more your vibe. Honestly, I could see my mom carrying this one, and she's not even a backpack person. In terms of cons, this is not the bag you buy for long days of walking. The load distribution is not good. The warranty is not worth anything. And these aren't the creme de la creme of materials. But for a casual traveler wanting to try out the one bag lifestyle without making a big commitment, this is a totally legit entry point. Now, if you travel more than a few times a year, I think a bag like the TomTalk Navigator Lightweight and the Osprey 26+6, which are each about $40 more, are way better budget bags. They're like the best budget bags money can buy. They put you in a completely different universe in terms of comfort and durability. Moving on, the ZT Travel Toiletry Bag Set. This is a 10-piece set for $26. It's gotta be a steal, right? I'm really not sure what I expected here, but the toiletry bag feels like it was stitched together way too quickly. The mesh is so thin, it feels like it's gonna rip on your first trip, and the zippers are just bad. Honestly, this is the cheap garbage I was bracing myself for when I started this experiment. You will split these zippers the first time you overpack one of these cubes, and once they fail, you're not saving money if you're just having to buy cubes twice. Hard pass on this. Let's stick with cubes. These are the Bag Smart compression cubes. 6 pieces, $46. Product itself is fine. The zippers work, compression works. The problem is the price. At $46, you're paying premium brand money for standard polyester. You're comparing this to a more expensive set and thinking deal, but you shouldn't be. Compared to other polyester cubes, and the math just falls apart. You can do way better, way better. Pass. Third, the Bagmaster compression cubes. 4-piece set, $19. These do what you need them to do. For what you're getting here, I would not pay $1 more, polyester standard, for $19. You're not being ripped off, but you're setting yourself up to replace these in a year or two. Honestly, I would probably pass on these as well. I would just not get packing cubes from TikTok Shop. I'd go Trip Travel Gear, Epica, Eagle Creek. If you really want to splurge on something that's gonna last, Peak Design. All right, if you're perusing any of this travel gear because you've got an international trip lined up, there's one piece of pre-trip prep that I'd highly suggest not skipping. After almost 2 decades of international travel, one of my core travel philosophies is maximize your time on the ground. The last thing I want to do after a 12-hour flight is stand in line at an airport kiosk trying to get a SIM card to work. I just want to get out and start exploring. And that's why I use Olafly. Olafly makes eSIMs with unlimited data in over 200 destinations worldwide. No physical SIM swapping, no surprise roaming charges, no airport kiosk. You scan a QR code before you leave home, and the moment your plane hits the tarmac, you're connected. As much as my family and I travel, we use Olafly Plans, which is their monthly subscription. It is fantastic. You can cancel anytime, and now all of their plans come with a perk called Always On. If your plan cycle ends mid-trip, you automatically get a gig of backup data, so you are never without a connection. Your plane lands, Maps is already pulled up, rideshare is booked, and yeah, you can scroll more TikTok on the way to the hotel. Links in the description, and you can use the code AWAYTOGETHER for a discount on your next travel eSIM or monthly plan. Big thanks to Olafly for sponsoring today's video. Up next, the Bag Smart Blast backpack coming in at $75. This guy's 28 liters, expandable to 38, 2 pounds empty. It's got padded straps, clamshell opening, luggage trolley strap, 6 organized pockets, and is sold as a TSA-approved personal item for budget airline travel. Again, $75, not bad. This bag has sold over 12,000 on TikTok Shop, and I actually think it's solving a real problem. If you've flown Spirit or Frontier recently, you know the personal item dimensions are brutal and they will nickel and dime you for a full carry-on. This bag fits under the seat and holds a weekend's worth of stuff. Bagsmart isn't a no-name shop either. They're a legit brand and they've been making decent travel gear for years. My honest take is this is not a bad bag, but if you've got an extra $30 to $45, the Thule Aeon that you can pick up from Sam's Club, the TomTalk Navigator Lightweight, and the Osprey 26+6 I mentioned earlier are all bags with real carry comfort, better materials, and actual warranties. But if $75 is the ceiling and you need a budget airline personal item, buy probably the best thing you'll find on TikTok Shop for that. For most of you watching, I'd spend that extra $35 though. Up next is the AAIV 4-piece luggage set. I don't even have room for all the bags, so I'm showing you the big bag and this thing. With this set, you get a 28-inch check-in, a 26-inch check-in, a 20-inch carry-on, and this small hard shell handbag mini trunk thing that all nests inside, all shipped to your door in one box. I was actually pretty impressed that the wheels on the checked bags are removable. There's a press to release mechanism at each corner. Pop the wheels off for storage, pop them back on when you need them. They even include a spare wheel in the box. I've genuinely never seen that before, and honestly, I kind of like it. No removable wheels on the carry-on though, which would have been a nice touch if you're struggling to fit your bag in the sizer. Build-wise, it's ABS. The zippers aren't YKK. The carry-on has a top handle only, no side handle. And the interior compression on the carry-on isn't great either because one side is really, really shallow. My verdict is unless you need the removable wheels and this ridiculous trunk thing, I'd go with that $112 set that I showed you earlier. Or if getting a set isn't even the priority, but you're enticed by the value bundling here, just take that money and put it toward one good bag instead. So can that one good bag even be found on TikTok? Well, this bag from Sweet Furniture, the names, is $70. And with 5,200 sold on TikTok, I had pretty high hopes. Compared to the Ukine that I showed earlier, this is actually the nicer bag. The interior has a better feel, better finish, and from a look and vibe perspective, it's pretty unoffensive. 4 spinner wheels, TSA locking zippers, which every single bag now advertises as if it's some kind of revolutionary feature. But the major problem is the dimensions. This thing is 22.44 by 14.96 by 9.45, which gives it an abysmal 3% carry-on score. I'd say if you care about getting your bag on the plane and you're planning to carry on, pass. If that doesn't matter to you, then maybe. It's nicer than some others. That's about as best as I can say. So, is TikTok luggage worth it? Category by category, it's gonna be a different answer every time. TikTok Shop is basically a way to get direct from China pricing without going to China. For categories where that pricing model makes sense, like matching hard side luggage sets, I think occasionally it works. In most cases though, you're just paying slightly less for dramatically worse stuff. A relatively small bump in budget, 30 or 40 bucks, can completely change the quality of the travel gear you're getting. So if you want to see items that we recommend and think truly are worth the splurge, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Happy travels.